Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 10th December 2021 in the international market. WHO said on Wednesday that the Omicron COVID variant could change the course of the pandemic. Investors continue to keep an eye on the latest news around Omicron variant as well as economic data. US 10-year closed at 149 and 30-year at 187 on Thursday. Watch out, US inflation print due on Friday. Please note that the expectation on the street for inflation hitting 6.7% and Fed will be forced to complete the tapering sooner than anticipated. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $74.11 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 74 to 77. In the currency market, dollar index is at 96.22. Today's range for dollar index is 96.09 to 96.37, but US CPI data will create volatility. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 638. USD INR with a high of 75.58 closed at 75.54. Support at 75.50 and resistance at 75.80 does exist. Trading strategy: FIIs have not stopped selling in Indian equities market. Now we will have to wait till FIIs stop selling next week only. Till the time, INR looks weak and will hover around 75.50 to 75.80 range. Watch out, US CPI data on Friday. In the domestic market, trading volumes were muted after the RBI announced status quo on the policy rates. 563.2026 closed at 566 versus 566 the previous trading day. 610.2031 closed at 634 versus 634 the previous trading day. OIS curves: 1 year OIS at 424 versus 423, 2 year at 473 versus 472, 3 year at 533 versus 531. Trading strategy: 634 to 637 range will last for one or more week. Fed, Bank of England and Bank of Japan meeting next week will take the center stage, deciding the course of action for the global markets. GSEC auctions are today and markets to remain range bound. Trading range for 610-2031, 634 to 637. That's it for today. See you next week with the new episode of Night Snippets.